In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach images to Trello card. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need, and I'll add a few tips so your images show up exactly where you want them. Start by opening Trello and heading to your boards view. This is the hub where all your boards live, so make sure you're in the workspace that contains the board you want to work with. Once you see the board you need, click to open it. If you manage multiple boards, it helps to name them clearly so you can find the right one quickly. Inside the board, pick the specific card where you want to add an image. Clicking the card will open its details panel. From here, you'll work directly inside the card so you don't have to navigate away from your board. Next, move to the description area of the card and select Edit. This opens the editor which supports rich content. Using the description is a great choice if you want the image to appear in line with text, like a step-by-step guide, a screenshot for context, or a mock-up with notes. Within the editor, click Image. This gives you two straightforward options. You can attach an image by pasting a link, or you can upload a file from your computer. If you're using a link, make sure it points to a publicly accessible image file. Private or restricted links may not render for teammates. It's also helpful to use a direct image URL ending in a common format like .png or .jpg, so Trello can display it reliably. If you prefer to upload from your computer, choose the upload option. Your file picker will open so you can navigate to the image you want. Click the image you intend to use, then click Open to confirm. Trello will begin adding the image right into the description. Large files can take a moment to appear, so give it a second if you don't see it instantly. Once the image is inserted, you can continue writing around it to provide context. If you're collaborating, keep your images descriptive and use clear file names so others know what they're looking at. For best results, choose reasonably sized images. Oversized files can slow things down for teammates on slower connections. That's it. You've gone from your boards view into your board and card, edited the description, added an image either by link or upload, selected your file, and confirmed it. Your image is now part of the card's description, ready for your team to reference and act on.